Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our new lecture and video from this course. I've showed you before how you need to set up your seller account, okay, how to create your seller account and what you need to confirm your seller account. After you have added your debit or credit card and PayPal and have confirmed your seller account, you can go back into your seller dashboard. You will have again these options here, and if you go to the account option, you will get again the menu here in the left side of the screen. Now what you will do, and what is interesting right now, because you need to set up those specifics so you can maximize your sales and avoid those mistakes I was telling you about, you go here to the site preferences button, and here you need to set up some things, okay? And let's start from the beginning. First of all, you will have setting preferences, okay? Sell your item form and listings. Show the exact quantity of items in your listing if the quantity exceeds 10. Yes. Why will you set up yes here? Okay, you edit if you have the no option and practically change it to yes. Just a second. Why do you want to show? Because most of the time, at least in the beginning, because of the limits that your seller account has, you will only have one item in stock that you sell, okay? Again, because of this reason, you will also use the out of stock option, okay? Why? Because if you have an item in stock and your item gets sold, you will practically need to redo your listing, okay, to recreate your listing, and you will need to pay your eBay fees again for your listing, okay? And you don't want to do that. You don't want to, because you will have some eBay fees for each listing that you create. It's around 20 cents, okay? And practically you don't want to do that for your listing that just got sold, okay? You just have the out of stock option, and then you practically take it out of stock and your listing will appear again, okay? Then you will have payment from buyers. Show this option here. Use checkout, yes. Offer PayPal. This is very important. If you have it set it up to no, change it to yes. Display PayPal preferred on my listings. If you have set this up to no, change it to yes. Accept credit, okay, for me it's no. Include my items when buyers pay all their sellers at once using PayPal, yes, this is an option. Use this payment address, okay. Use sales tax table, no. This one it's no. Then we will have shipping preferences, okay. What is very important here, we have the offer the global shipping program. You should change this option to yes, because in the beginning by default it's set on no. You should change it on yes. What does this mean? You will have a lot of buyers for your products that are from other countries than the United States, okay? You won't be able practically from let's say from Amazon directly, or from I don't know, if you buy from a local store something, to drop ship it directly to them, okay? What you will do, you will send practically and eBay will actually do this for free. You won't send the product directly to that client who maybe it's in another country somewhere, maybe in Europe or Asia, okay? You practically will send your product, your order, to eBay, which has a warehouse I think in Kentucky right now. So you will practically send the order to their central warehouse, and after that they will take care of all and send your package or order to the client in whatever country he is, okay? And if you don't check this on yes, you will lose a lot of sales that come from other countries, because there are people from other countries. There are sellers who have even up to 50% of the whole sales that they make in a month from people who live outside the United States and in different countries. So you can lose a lot of sales and a lot of profits. So don't forget about this. Offer the global shipping program. Check this yes, okay? And you can find out more about this if you press the button edit. You can see here, okay? You will find different options. You can opt out, but I won't opt right now, okay? Submit, I will press cancel, but you can find different options here about this program, okay? So after we have set this up, we leave it like that, okay? The rest need to be set on no. Exclude shipping locations from my listings, yes. And let's see what shipping locations you should use. Okay, you should exclude, sorry. So exclude shipping locations, select the regions or countries you don't ship to: domestic, Alaska, US protectorates, and you should check all of this, so you exclude the shipping locations. If any user of eBay from these locations want to buy your product, they won't be able to do so. Why? Because the procedure here, it's a little bit more complicated, and you don't want to have that on your mind at this moment. Now let's go back. So we have set this up, preferences, share your photos, nope, logos and branding, buyer requirements, manage communications, yes, send eBay purchase reminder email to buyers. You should check this on yes. If you don't have it checked on yes. Just a second, guys, because it took me out. So promoting, okay, have been moved to marketing tools, share your photos, no's, buyer requirements, manage unpaid item assistant. This is very important, guys. Okay, this is a very important option, unpaid item assistant. Let eBay open and close unpaid item cases for you automatically. Yes, cases open 4 days after item ends. So there will be people that will actually buy your product, but they won't pay for it. And in that case, instead of you asking for refunds all the time, okay, and taking a lot of your time and energy on doing so, you let practically eBay to handle these cases when actually people don't pay their products. So what eBay will actually do, they will remind to those people in 4 days that they need to pay their product, and if they don't, they automatically refund, they automatically cancel their order, okay, and they will make all the refunds and everything necessary, and that's it. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Then we have general preferences, reviews and guides, show. So hide your reviews, no, you need to leave it like this. You want people to actually see your reviews. Actually, this is a very important part of what you can do as marketing on eBay. It's very important to have good reviews for your product and to be a top seller, okay, because people are actually looking at that, and you are more credible and trustworthy in front of them. And that's about it, guys. These are all the options that you need to set up in the beginning, okay, in order to maximize your sales, to be able to maximize your sales and avoid some time consuming errors or tasks, and also cost consuming errors and tasks. So guys, this was all. Set up your account like this, and you will have better results, you will see, and you will optimize your work process very much. Thank you very much again for your attention. I hope this was helpful again, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video, where I will show you how you can create a listing. Thank you very much again, guys. Bye bye for now.